Uh, Hi all YouTube fans, YouTube Lego fans, and today I, HLP, will present you my Lego robot transformer. Yeah! Please rate, comment, and subscribe, cause this is my first video, and etc. So I will show you today I'm going to show you my Lego robot, which has wings. It has moving hands. Oops, wait, he didn't tell them. And it has removing the part. So here are his hands, moving and removing. Yeah, like his legs, moving and removing. I like that joke, moving and removing. So let's connect that. So I'm going to show you how to transform my bug, I mean my robot, into a bug. So wait a little bit, and here is the bug. Yeah, you can see it. You can see its antennas. Wait. So yeah, you can see its antennas. Wait. Oh, I hate that. His two antennas, which, if you notice, are the legs of the bug. See, moving and removing. Oops. And here are his arms, moving and removing, and here are the wings. Yeah. So we got two wings, two hands, two antennas, and oops, two back legs. Those here, you see. And we've got this back part, with which he could just make with this part, he could make his enemies escape, because he gets his gas out of this part. So I'm going to show you how to make the bug again into the robot. Sorry. So first of all, you put it on his. So first you get that part, the back part. Get it in. Put it like this. See? Nice, really nice. Then you get his wings. Oops. It's really hard with one hand. So you get his wings and put them like this. And you put it on its legs. It's nicely made, but there's one big but. Those things you see here are really uncool, so I use them and put them back like that. And of course, he can use them again as I forgot how was its name, but yeah, like this. Yeah. And when he doesn't use them, it's there like this. So yeah, this is the robot, and now the U.S. the army of the world is going to stop him. Wait. Oh no, we didn't. Get out. SOS. Ha! I will stop you, robot. Ha ha. Hey, where's my remote control? No, my remote control. It's here. Nice made. Remote control. And which was the button for destroying that robot? I don't see it. So we go to the robot and press that button. Wait. Oh no, I don't. Oops. Oh no, I put it on a dance function. Ah! Ah! So now I will show you that the robot is made of two parts. Wait, a top part and the bottom part. Here is the top part with the back legs and the part with the stinky thing that blows your enemies away. And the bottom part with the legs and wings, front legs and the antennas. Yeah, it's really nice made.
This
So,
is the guts.
So, next time I'm giving you a sneak peek to my next thing. Wait, here's the next thing I'm going to present you. Wait, the video after 1 week or earlier, so really don't forget to like, for rating, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, if you watched it.